Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this really cool squishy. So this is a banana squishy. I really like the squishies that have the Orbeez inside. As you can see, it's all yellow Orbeez, so it makes it super squishy and jello-like. It is made of a rubber on the outside that you're able to squish a lot, and it's going to make sure that it's not going to break. I love the fact that it looks like a banana. It's pretty cool. My daughter really loves different squishy toys. She likes it when she's doing homework or just sitting sometimes. It kind of helps just to have something to fidget with. So this one I think in particular is pretty cool. And if they do get dirty, you literally just have to rinse it under warm water until it is clean again. So it's super simple to do that. I love the size as well. It's not too small that you're going to lose it. And it's something that she can just hold in her hand very easily and squish it around. The Orbeez are super squishy, which I think is pretty cool. That's just my point of view.